Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl again, Mwaka the Wifeprenuer. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome to my old tribe. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. On this channel, we're all about monetize your knowledge and skills using the power of social media. In today's video, I just want to quickly share with you some of the reasons why you have to move your business from offline to online. And by any business, I mean any business. It can be you selling tomatoes, it can be you selling shoes, it can be you selling sunglasses, it can be you selling anything that you think of, whatever you sell on the streets. Including myself, I've been there. I've sold in Town Square, I've sold in Independence Avenue on weekend, on month-end, Saturday month-end markets. I've also sold at Soweto Market. I got a stand there to sell my products because I thought they'll sell a lot faster. But here are some of the disadvantages that I learned from going through that direction. Because one, I have to leave my home sometimes without cleaning it, without doing anything, because maybe I overslept. So I have to quickly pack my things and take them to town. So I have left my home dirty. I'm going to town. I have to use fuel, or I have to take a taxi. That is money that is going to cost, and I can sit there the whole day, especially now during the times of COVID. I could sit there the whole day without selling anything. And I remember also the other day, because town was not working, I was actually selling thrift jackets. So from there I was like, okay, the other weekend I was like, let me try the hood, so I went to Soweto Market. I spoke to the people there. They gave me a place where I was supposed to sell, and I paid for 3 months in advance. It was quiet, I can assure you of that. Very, very, very quiet. That at the point it was so depressing, because you go there, no one even passes by. It's only the first people that saw them the very first day when I went there, like the guards and the memes that are from there. So it was only that first day it was exciting, because they would come pass by, check the quality, some were buying. But since then, I just regret the money that I spent, because I hate strictly you have to pay 3 months in advance. There's no paying of 1 month or whatever. So out of excitement, I just decided, let me go and pay out, this whole thing, because it will work. If I'll be here for 3 months, it means that my things will get sold out, which was wrong. I went to Soweto Market 3-4 days in a row. I had to stop. I was like, okay, maybe let me stop by Black Chain. I drove, parked the car there by Black Chain. Same story. People are just looking at you like, what? In my jackets, we're going for they were really good quality, but they were going for 100, 150. But when I started, I was at 150, because I thought, because of how they looked, they were still new, people were going to buy. But my dear, people were used to things of $50, $60, $80. So I sold nothing. That was depressing. Then I moved on, went to town. In town, Independence Avenue, usually they used to have, I'm not sure, I think up to now they're still there, those Saturday markets. Tried there. In town, maybe I sold only 2 jackets, and then maybe 3 handbags. Yeah, just a few things. But that was so depressing, because I thought, like, when you take items in town to people will be able to buy. But it was so wrong. Okay, yeah, in those days before COVID, but now during this COVID whole situation, things are different. That's why I'm here to share with you, my sisters, because I have decided to register my business on Your Market Namibia. It's a marketing place where you can register your business and sell your products from there. So some of the benefits of selling or moving your business from offline to online is because You know, instead of just leaving your house, you do other things while you wait for a phone call from a customer, or while you wait for an email that says, I need something that you have. Do you have it in stock? What colors, what size do you have? I'm coming to pick it up, or can you please deliver it for me? So you see, you are more flexible. You can do other things on your own, instead of just spending your whole day selling your things in the street, hoping that someone will pass and buy. Another advantage of moving your business from offline to online is the fact that your customers can see your products 24/7. By online, I mean social media, having a social media business page, or having a website. So those are the two main things that I'm talking about. As I was saying, having your business online helps your customers to have access to your page or to your website 24/7. So meaning you have customers 24/7. As you're sleeping, someone is not sleeping, like myself, because right now it's 2 o'clock. It's 2 a.m. in the morning and I'm recording. So I don't sleep, you know. So from here, I can easily go on social media, on YouTube, on Instagram, just to see, you know, as you're scrolling down, you can see a shop, you can see a boutique, and then I go on that boutique and I'll be like, okay, I like what they have, then I'm going to contact them in the morning. Or I can simply leave a DM, or I can simply contact them via email, I can simply contact them via a text, or okay, I can't call it in the night, but that's what I'm talking about, by 24/7. So clients will be there for you 24/7. You just have to show up. Like I mentioned in the other video, just make sure that you make use of ads, especially if you want to be seen on Instagram. Don't worry about people not knowing you, or you not knowing a lot of people to sell to. Strangers are the best customers that you can have. Those are the best people that can support you. And I mean, strangers will support you even more than the most people that support you. So make use of ads. Share your pages to your friends and family, so that they can also share it on their social medias, so that their friends can also get to see or know about you. So maybe a friend knows someone who is looking for your service, and they'll now refer their friends to you. That is just literally how it works. So it's so important, guys, that we move on to online business. Another reason why you need to move to online business, unlike me who paid so much for 3 months for a place that I didn't use, that I only used literally for 4 days, with this you reduce such costs. You are not going to pay anybody, because you just keep your things at home. So there's no rent needed, less paperwork, just less headache. So if you are not going to sell, you are not worried about, no, I have to pay rent at the end of the day, the landlord will be here on my neck. No, the rent that you pay for your home, it's enough. That is the rent that you're going to pay for your business as well. And now also, because of the pandemic, people prefer buying things online. So by doing that, it means you are also going to deliver for them, which is good. It works well for me. Whether you have a car or not, you just take a taxi, you go and stand at the door. I mean, these days we have Google Maps. So if I'm telling you I stay in Komanda, I just share my location. Obviously, you'll get there. You have nothing to lose. It's just like 15 minutes of your time, or 20 minutes of your time, less than 30 minutes of your time to go and deliver that product. Or the owner, actually, if they're trying to cut on cost, they are simply going to pass by and pick the item themselves. The good thing about this whole situation is that when customers are satisfied with your way of service, or the way that you do your things, you will build a loyal base, a very loyal customer base, because people will now trust you. If I want to eat fish, I know I can only call the mill. Those are the best people that cooks it the right way, or the way that I want it. Or if I want a certain dress, I know I can just simply go and get it from a certain specific person. So that is, people just love the service. Give the good service to the people, and trust me, they'll always come back for you. Always make sure that you're selling quality stuff that people like. And if they have complaints, make sure you respond to them in the nice manner, and then you will get to resolve the whole problem. You know, people will love you for who you are. Even if you make mistakes, they will understand that you are human, and they'll just support you throughout. Another benefit of moving from offline to online is the promotion. The promotion is so easy to make promotion, because now, like I mentioned earlier, you can ask people to share on your WhatsApp. It could be your link, the link to your website, the link to your social media page. It could be a flyer. It could be a video. It could be anything. You know, it's so many ways that you can market your product to reach a variety of people. Because why I'm saying also promotion is good, because at this point it doesn't necessarily mean only people that can see your product or only people in your town. When you do all these adverts, people countrywide can be able to see this, and a lot of people that may need your services or the things that you're selling from far, you know, and then you make use of courier services. So that's why it's so important. Instead of just being at one place selling in a Soweto market like I was doing, nobody will see that. It's only people that pass by Soweto market. The people in Augsburg, they won't see that. The people in Okahanja, they will not see that. So people from anywhere, Commersdal, they may not see that. Why? Because you are only at one place. So that's why you have to move your business online. And business online helps you in a lot of ways. The only thing, it's less expensive, because the only time that you get to spend, it's when you are making your promotion. That's it. And because when you're delivering, you include the delivery fee in the prices. For me, it's a win-win situation for everybody. It's a win-win situation for you. It's a win-win situation for your customers. So guys, try to move your business online. In the meantime, I want you to watch this video where I talk about my business journey. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.